Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. As you all know, my name is Mungai Kihara. Today we are in Membley Estate, Ruiru. I know most of you don't know where Membley is, but on your left hand side when you exit Thika Road from town, you get Membley Estate. On the right hand side you have Varsity Estate, and opposite that you have Sunrise Estate. Opposite Membley you have Kihunguro Estate. As I mentioned earlier, today we are in the heart of Membley Estate and we are exactly 700 meters from Eastern Bypass, and behind me is a 4-bedroom all-en-suite mansion with a plinth area of 320 square meters. The price for this unit is 24.5 million Kenya shillings, and if you want it right now, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. From the drone shots, you have already seen that this area is very developed. You have seen that the views are breathtaking, and the developer of this unit has made sure that whatever you get here is value for money. The unit is on another level. The finishing is very well done, and everything that comes with this unit is something that will improve your status as a person. The unit comes with a 2-car parking if you have plus size cars, lakini kama wewe ni mtu wa tududu, this can fit 4 of them. On my far front, you have the front yard of this unit. It has been done very well. I like the greenery, and if you have some kids, this would be a very good space for them to enjoy their leisure time. I like it that this unit comes with an automated gate, and you just require a remote to make sure that everything is sliding in and out peacefully. I was assessing the plants that are in this compound. At this one, my cameraman, Mr. Vincente, told me that in their culture, they use it as a medicine. It's very funny because all along, I never knew that I have been working with the herbalist. I know he might be pulling my leg, but I don't understand why, because as you can see from there, my leg is already long. The unit has been surrounded by this all-round walkway that can be used as a jogging track. On the rear side, you have your laundry area, you have your employee quarters, and you have spaces for your gas cylinders. As you can see from there, the entrance porch is here, and it is welcoming you to the unit. From there, I know most of you will agree with me that this is exactly what you need if you understand what is style and quality. Come with me. From there, you can see that the unit comes with a 5-foot double door, and this makes it very easy for you to get your furnitures in and out, especially if you don't forget to call our number, because this is a unit that you must have. Wow, wow, wow. This is an interesting space. One thing that I have noticed is that this unit has been done very well. The developer was very keen on quality, and on this side you have a modern fireplace which is elevating the look of this focal point. There was a time I was having a conversation with my aunt, and she asked me, why do you call this a modern fireplace and you can't cook with it? And it got me thinking, how modern is this modern fireplace? Anyway, let's forget about it. Here you have a space that is big enough for you to fit a 65 or a 75 TV, and on my opposite side you have the biggest window that we have seen in a mansion. This will give you maximum natural light, and in combination with the transparent metal casement door, the unit is very well lit. During the night, you are getting your light from the center light. As you can see, you have some recessed lights, and the developer made sure that he added a very subtle color to make sure that the reflections of the light in this unit are very well done. Right now, we are in the dining area. I like it that the dining space is big enough to fit a 6-seater to all the way to an 8-seater dining set. The dining area is opening to the kitchen on my far front, and the kitchen is on another level. And let me tell you, if you are a big fan of cooking, this is the kitchen that you'll always want. It has been done very well. But before all that, if you want to purchase this unit or any other unit, make sure you call us to help you with a pre-purchase inspection, because watu hii town wamekuwa wakora. In another news, the details of this unit will be added in our website africanrealestate.com, and if you have a unit that you are selling, make sure you post it there, because you can always get many clients from our portfolio. Right now, we are in the kitchen and my cameraman is in the pantry. Wherever the hell he is doing there is none of my business. As you can see from there, the kitchen has been done very well. I like the combination of drawers and cabinetry in this kitchen, and this makes it very easy for you to store your crockery and your cutlery. On my left hand side, you have a double sink. I like it that it comes with the normal water from Kanjo, and you have your purified water because the developer made sure that they added a water purifier below the sink area. Here you have your cooking area. It is a 5-burner cooktop and you have your heat extractor. The developer added some drawers here to make sure that you can always remove your cooking items with a lot of ease. On my far front, you have the electronics area and the kitchen comes with a microwave. You have an oven and this space has been reserved for your double door. The developer made sure that they added several sockets here for any other kitchen appliances that you may need. Above it, you have a space that has been reserved for your wine bottles. So when you are a visitor here, be guaranteed that you always have a glass. Earlier, when I mentioned that my cameraman is in the pantry, this is what I meant. It is a gigantic place for you to store all your dry foods. The developer made sure that he added some light fixture here to make sure that your pantry is very well lit during the day. On my far front, you have this kitchen door that leads you to the laundry area, the clothesline area, and the employee quarters. Here, you have the laundry area, and it is next to the employee quarters. It has been done very well. I like it that it comes with an industrial sink, and you have some shelves for your washing detergents. This is where you do your washer and dryer. Next to it, as I mentioned, you have your employee quarters. The employee quarters is a sizable space for your employee. I like it that it is all en suite, so you have its bathroom there, and the closet has been done very well. It is floor to ceiling, and you have numerous spaces for all your employee items. This area has been reserved to act as your clotheslines area, and as we are here, you can see that the unit comes surrounded with a perimeter wall, and on top of it, you have an electric fence. You remember I mentioned that on this space, we have spaces for your gas cylinders. They are on the far side of this walkway. I'll take all of you inside. From the rear side of this unit, we are back to the living room. And from here, you can see that on my left hand side, you have the staircase that takes you to the upper level. The developer made sure that this staircase is mahogany, and you have a very long window that brings a lot of light to this staircase. As you can see it from there, it has been done very well, and it comes with some sensors to make sure that the staircase is lit when you walk close to it. Just have a look. Beautiful, right? Under the stairs, you have an extra space, and if you enjoy maximizing your living space, you can always construct some storage down there. Next to the staircase, you have your common washroom, which is here, and next to it you have the guest bedroom. At the entrance of the common washroom, you have a small vanity and a mirror. This is the common washroom, and it comes with all the necessary fixtures that you may need. Next to it, as I mentioned, you have the guest bedroom. It is the tiniest bedroom because your guests will always be here for a day or two. What I like about it is that it comes with a shower cubicle, which is here. Behind me, you have your WC, and you have a wash basin next to me. This is the sleeping space in the guest bedroom. It is slightly tiny and only big enough to fit a 4x6 or a 5x6 bed. Lakini, why would the guests need a bigger space as they are not the owner of the house? Watu wanunue nyumba zao. The closet is here, and from here, I'm taking you to the upper level. The staircase comes with this holding rod that should be used by the people who are using the staircase. But if this house belonged to me, I would be using it as a holding space while I'm peeping at my neighbor's house and asking myself, do this guy know how rich he looks? Anyway, let's get to the upper level. On my right hand side, you have the 2 kids' bedrooms. On my left hand side, you have only the primary bedroom that has been reserved for the king and the queen of this unit. And on the upper level, which is the last level, you have the family room, a space that can be used as an office or maybe an entertainment area. We will see the kids' bedroom. I'll show you the primary bedroom after that. And lastly, we will see the entertainment space. Up here, we have the controls of the electric fence. This is the first bedroom, and right now we are in the second bedroom. The second bedroom is just a replica to the first bedroom. It has just been oriented differently. I like it that it comes with its closet here. It is a floor to ceiling, but you have a tiny space above the closet. The partitioning have been done very well. You have drawers for the tiny garments. The spaces here are for your shoes, and you have extra spaces here for the foldable and the hangable clothes. This bedroom comes with a massive window here, and next to it you have its bathroom. The bathroom to this bedroom is big enough for small or big kids. It comes with a vanity behind me. You have your WC at the center, and on my left hand side you have your shower cubicle. I like it that all the rooms in this bedroom come with rain showers. This bedroom comes with a balcony that is shared with the first bedroom. The balcony is here. It gives you very good views to the rear side of this unit, and on my far front, it joins to the first bedroom. As I mentioned earlier, this bedroom is just a replica to the other bedroom that we just saw. In terms of size, the only difference is it has been oriented different. It comes with its closet here, and it is the same size to the one that we saw in the other kids' bedroom. Its bathroom is behind the main door, and it comes with a wash basin, a WC here, and you have its shower cubicle. The shower cubicle comes with a hard head and a rain shower. From here, I'm taking all of you to the primary bedroom. As I mentioned earlier, the kids' bedroom share the right wing. The left wing has been reserved for the primary bedroom, and we are in it right now. As you can see from there, the space has been done very well. This is a space that has been modified to make sure it pleases the tastes and the wants of the owners of this unit. From there, you can see that the primary bedroom comes with a massive window, and if that is not enough, you have an extra 2 windows. The main window is giving you very good views to the front side of this unit, and this bedroom comes with a massive balcony. We will see that in a minute. On my far front, you have the closets of this primary bedroom. I like it that it comes with 4 drawers, and they are long enough for you and your partner. Also, you have some spaces here for the shoes, and on my far front, you have the closet area. It is a mini walk-in closet. I like it that it comes with sliding doors, and the partitioning have been done to perfection. Behind me, you have the dresser of this primary bedroom, and this space has been reserved for the primary bathroom. From there, you can see that the primary bathroom comes with a double vanity. You have spaces here for all your showering detergents. At the center, you have your WC, and behind me, you have a jacuzzi. If that is not enough for your showering, you have a shower cubicle that comes with one of the biggest rain showers we have seen in the channel. On top of that, the bathroom comes with a double towel holder and double smart mirrors. From here, let's see the balcony of this bedroom. You remember I mentioned that this bedroom comes with the biggest balcony. Just have a look at the massiveness of this space. We are at the edge of this balcony, and from here, I can guarantee that this balcony is bigger than 5 meters. From there, I'm very sure that you can have a view of the breathtaking views that you are getting from here. For years, Membley Estate has been praised for its modern architecture and the greenery, and it is evident from there that acquiring such a unit is a blessing. Let's head upstairs and see the entertainment room. This level has been designed to look like a penthouse, and the shapes and the angles of the roof here are something that you'll always admire daily. This is the entertainment area. It comes with this slanted roof that amplifies the feeling that you get from the space. I like it that it comes with this type of window, because if the window was up to here, tall people would have to bend to get the views. But now, because it is tall, I can always peep from the highest window pane. This space can be used as the entertainment area. You can use it as a family room, or if you like to have an office in the house, you can always use this space as your office. In addition, it comes with its bathroom here, just to make sure you do not have to go down if you don't want to disturb anyone else in the other spaces. This room also comes with this exit that takes you to the roof deck, and if you get some robbers or if you want to hide from your mom, you can always use this space as long as you have the keys to come back. We have come to the end of the tour, and I hope you have enjoyed. If you have gotten to the end of the video, I'm very sure you have subscribed to this channel. If you have not, wewe unahitaji viboko. As I mentioned earlier, the price for this home is 24.5 million Kenya shillings. So if you want to get it right now, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.